Hi, this is Sam's Morning Routine, Story 4, page 66. Page 66. Listening quiz, video 38, part 1, letter sounds. Listen and write the missing letters. So I say the sound and you write the letter. So number 1, will. Repeat will and write will. Number 2, 6. Number 6. Repeat 6 and write. Number 3, ring. I have a ring. Number 4, dish. Sam washes her dishes. Dish. Number 5, quickly. Quickly. Repeat quickly. Number 6, sink. Wash the dishes in the kitchen sink. So now number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, you write the last sounds. Ring. Number 8, milk. Repeat milk. Number 9, fix. Number 10, six. Number 11, dish. And number 12, pick. And you can watch again if you didn't finish.